It should be a party of collective responsibility rather than a party of personalities. Kenya must evolve a system of safeguarding interests of all wananchi throughout the country. I should also like to stress that these coming party elections should not be based on tribal grouping, regional or administrative boundaries. Our efforts to keep Kenya united would be meaningless if we were to base our decision on ethnic considerations. Individual candidates should be judged by their qualities and ability to perform their duties to the party. In approaching Kenya problems, we should be mindful of the fact that the majority of our people are still poor and need to be uplifted. This should be one of the main tasks of all party officials. Such officials can only make work easy for our president if we are prepared to identify ourselves fully with those problems of wananchi. The elected official should be prepared to sacrifice their time to help the president in his efforts of national development.